Today's video is coming to you from beautiful Chiang Mai, Thailand, and today's gonna be a little different. I am going to do a tour of my 2-bedroom apartment that I moved into a little over a month ago.
Why did my voice go up like that?
It was partially furnished, so I'm not just gonna show like the rent and the utilities and all that, but I'm also gonna go into how much some of the furniture cost. You know what? Enough chatty. Road opening. Before we go inside my place, let's take a look at some of the stuff outside, like the pool and the gym and all that. All right, let's go and check it out. All right, normally you do this, but the door's open. There's a swimming pool here, which isn't open right now, but let's go and take a look at what is not open. All right. I tripped on that freaking thing. Yeah, so it's the pool that's not open. Wow, what a beautiful day. So this is the pool. And this is the gym. All right, let's go on up. Let's go to my place. All right, going up to the 3rd floor. All right. Echo. Okay. Go. My place. All right, well, welcome to my place. First stop, the bathroom. Mission accomplished. You know what, I guess we'll go in order of rooms. So the first room I would like to show is my bathroom. And yes, I'm a hypochondriac. I have a bunch of medicine and supplements. Swim trunks for the pool that is out of service. Me, the toilet, the shower. This is the bathroom. There's only one bathroom, but there's only one of me. All right, on to the kitchen. All right, the refrigerator was here already, so I didn't have to get this. And so was the washing machine. But what I did get was this wonderful coffee maker, which was recently featured on Ellie Taylor's vlog. Yeah, Ellie did like a little taste test of coffee at my place.
And if you get a rotten coffee like this one,
on to the living room. Okay, this is the living room. The TV, this little media thing was here. All this crap I brought with me from America. The sofa I bought. Why does it look like there's a stain right here? The table was here. I bought the rug and I bought the sofa. This is the living room. And this is the dining room. I'm a bit of a chess nerd. If you're ever in a neighborhood, want to play some chess, I'm the guy. And this place has a balcony. And over there you can see Doi Sutep. It's kind of hazy for some odd reason. All right, so let's go back in here. So my dining room, chest area, my living room, my bathroom's over there. Now on to my office. My office. America. This I bought. And as I mentioned, I'm gonna run down the prices, not only on my rent, utilities, but also some of the furniture I purchased to furnish a partially furnished apartment in beautiful Chiang Mai, Thailand. This chair looks kind of ugly, but not only is it very comfortable, but I can also use it when I meditate. Let me demonstrate. All right, so that's the chair, my computer desk, my computer chair. This wasn't here, so I'll go through how much I got this for. It's nice to be able to have a big monitor finally. So there are 3 air conditioners. One in my office, one in the living room, dining room area, and on to the bedroom. All right, and this is the 3rd air conditioner, and this is the bed, which was already here. Yeah, I got a lot of, oh, I shut that. Oh, yeah. So this, okay, this was in here. And let me explain. This is a very small table. When I ordered it, I thought it was a lot bigger, but it is very small, but it works. I'm able to put my glasses and charge stuff and have all this bizarre stuff on there too. All right, so that's a tour of my place. Now let's talk about how much things cost. Not only my rent and utilities, but also some of the furniture I had to purchase. You know what? Let's run some numbers. Let's talk money, baby. All right. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the little tour of my place. When I say little tour, my place isn't that big. It's a lot bigger than my last place, but it's not the Taj Mahal. I love living here. I love having an office finally. I'm able to have like a monitor, able to have like a lounge, ugly meditation chair, able to have a place to chill out and watch TV. And my last place, it served me, but I literally outgrew it. So this place is really good. I'm really happy I moved. It's a little bit more money than what I was paying before, but you know what? Since I moved here, in this place, I've gone out even less because I would go to like coffee shops to work and stuff. You know, now I have like a proper office and, you know, I have my music and I don't know, just kind of, it's a good place to chill. So I'm really happy here. I'm happy with all the extra storage and room, and yeah, it's the same area, so I still can go to the places I like to go, but yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really happy here. All right, so let's talk about how much things cost. I'm going to use my iPad. I can't remember these numbers in me noggin. I'm going to mention the Thai price and then the US dollar conversion. And for some odd reason, the US dollar is doing really bad right now. I don't know why. Something's going on in the world. All right, so a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 47 square meter condo in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Probably like 25 minutes by motorbike outside the city square. I pay 8,000 baht, which is around $265. My water bill is 120 baht a month, which comes out to be $4 a month. My first electric bill was 250 baht, which is $8.30. My internet, which is now fiber, is 631 baht, which comes out to be around 21 US dollars. So my monthly expenses here in a 2-bedroom apartment in Chiang Mai, Thailand come out to be 9,001 baht, or around $298 a month. Like I said, this place was partially furnished, so you know I had to buy some stuff. So let me go through the stuff that I bought. And the first thing I bought was a sofa. And that I bought at a place called Index Furniture, which is similar to IKEA. For that sofa, I paid 5,990 Thai baht, which is around $2. Okay, the rest of the stuff I'm going to mention, I bought at a place called Lazada, which is an online place similar to like Amazon.com. Okay, I'm editing this thing, and I ended up going through each item that I bought to help furnish this place, and I don't think that's really necessary. So I'm just going to say the grand total, then I'm going to flash a graphic showing what, you know, each item cost and all that good stuff. All right, hope you're enjoying the video. Back to it. So the amount I paid to fully furnish this place is 11,080 Thai baht, which comes out to be around $367. That doesn't include like little stuff, or doesn't even include the monitor. Really loud motorcycle. Wait. Oh, that's one thing I gotta say about this place. It's away from my bedroom. My bedroom's right there, but the street, a busy street, is right outside my balcony. And usually when like the pubs let out around midnight, or probably between 11 and 12:30, you hear a lot of screaming girls on the back of a motorbike, or guys just yelling, or cars driving by playing like Thai EDM music. All right, like I said, I hope you guys found this video to be informative. Been wanting to do it, but I wanted to get settled in, and I feel I'm pretty settled in. Like I said, I'm enjoying it, I'm loving it, and in the comments down below, let me know if you enjoyed and loved this video, and also if you enjoyed and loved this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing, baby? This is some high quality content here. And if you're subscribed, click the bell. Get notifications when new videos come out. If you want to send me a message, click on the Instagram link down below. I'm pretty good at responding. And as always, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.